Leveling kit on a 2017 or 16 Ford truck.
17, but this leveling kit goes with 15 and up trucks.
There you go.
Until they come out with a new suspension.
Dang, Cole, you got some camber. Said you got some camber.
Yeah.
So where exactly is this leveling kit going?
This piece will go in between the McPherson strut and the body. So it'd go right here.
Okay.
And this is a 2.5 inch leveling kit.
No one can see that. Where's the leveling kit? Where's it at? There it is.
Small little box.
Comes with instructions.
Yep.
On how. Now we'll get. Comes with instructions how.
You're gonna record the whole thing?
Yep. And this isn't getting edited out. This is going to be some raw footage.
I would edit it out because it might be a couple hours. At least no. Leveling kit.
Off your suspension to do the, I forget what it's called now. Now the camera came out and I forget. The leveling kit. Take out those bolts.
And then move your electrical out of the way so they don't get ripped out. Yep. That can stay. I need a 10 and an 8.
You need a 10 and an 8.
Yep.
You need me to go grab them?
Yep.
No, I gotta grab them.
I'd record the other side because once I get one side down,
Just not gonna listen to him. He needs a 10. Oh, look at that. There is not 10. There's a 12. I don't know where the 10 is. Oh, look at that. You said a 10 and an 8, right?
Yeah.
10 and an 8. There you go. We got them now. Let's hope this works. And an 18. It just needs everything in the world. Yep, that's an 18. We got it. About to pull the engine transmission out of this though. That's for another video.
Hey, where's the little impact?
Back right, should be over there.
Over where?
With the air compressor. Yeah, I don't know where the ratchety 10 is.
that's fine.
It's always lost.
No, it's not.
They tell me where it is.
Misplaced. It's not lost. It's misplaced. It's somewhere.
Somewhere over the rainbow. That's where. I'll film the other side. I'd show the other side. So we're started on the other side. Now I gotta fix the camera. There we go. And it's going to be raw, non-cut footage of us struggling or us getting it done, basically. Sure. Take that bolt, take your sway bar bolt, and take the 3 bolts off the top. Make sure you undo your electrical so it don't get yanked out. There's not going to be a lot of commentary in this, just us working, so. If you don't want to see all this, cut to the time. I'll put it right there on that screen. Start our own dance show. Cole's got some beats. I like how they're blue. Did you purposely do that, or did Ford?
Ford did it.
I know there's going to be some people on here who Ford sucks. So. Warning headphone users. That was pretty loud. Other way. There you go. Turn it sideways, like that, like towards me. There you. No, never mind. It's too big. You need a extension.
It's on the other side.
Dang call. This is what the last one looks like. Oops. I'll move this out of his way and I'll show you. Here's more of the instructions by Mammoth 4x4. We are not sponsored. Shows y'all how to do it. Stuff on the back, final checks and it. That was a lot. Sorry headphone users, that was probably loud. There's that. Here's the 2.5 inch lift to level the front with the back. Go up there like that. Oh, when the thing's all said and done, this is what it looks like. I bet you can't figure it out. Just get it's up here where it's hidden away. So that's what it looks like when it's done. Undo those bolts right there. Don't gotta undo this. What you do, undo that, the other one, and the 3 up here, and this should just drop out. Bloop. Drop out. Put on your thing, use the gold bolt, slam it back under, and so on and so forth. It's pretty much done. That's pretty much it. Other than that, we'll see you next Saturday. Peace.